What's up, guys? Got another unboxing, would you believe it, of another watch for you today. And if you've seen the title of this video, you already know what it is. This is the new Seiko Spirit line of watches. What the heck? That's the first. That looks extremely well taken care of. Wow. Okay. Well, hopefully the watch isn't damaged. That's all that I really care about. So this is the model SZSB012. So this is, in a lot of people's mind, the replacement of the Seiko SZSB033, I believe it is, the dress watch with the automatic movement. So this is the replacement of that, and they had this on a really good Amazon Prime Day deal, so I ended up picking it up. I've been looking at the Seiko SZSB for a long time and always wanted it and never grabbed it. And that one's now discontinued, so I figured, well, I might as well get the, I guess not the next, maybe the next best thing. In some people's mind it's a step down, and some people's mind it's a step up. So only thing I don't love about it is it has the Hardlex crystal versus the sapphire. The 033 had the sapphire, which I really would have enjoyed, but honestly, Hardlex is pretty good. Most of my Seikos honestly look really, really good. The crown looks like it's got a bit of a gap, but I think it's just the way, yeah, I think it's just the case it's making it look that way maybe. It seems to be pushed all the way in, but what a sharp looking watch though. Very dressy, but also sporty at the same time. The diameter of the case, I think, is 40 to 41, somewhere around 41, I think, which is a little bit bigger, excuse me, than the SZSB series. So I kind of prefer that. I like the sportier look. I'm not really into the really small, like 38 millimeter dress watches. There's your tag, automatic. Everything looks good. Let's take this plastic off of here so we can look at it a little bit better. It's really light weight. I guess I'm used to, I just got this the other day, and I guess I'm used to that kind of heavy diver weight. I don't have a ton of dress watches, so there we go. That was easy. Really nice clasp. Not a stamped clasp like you see on a lot of other Seikos like this. That's nice. That's a good touch. I like that. I think some of the value is probably coming from that. Man, that case finishing is really nice. Polished, and then it's got a brushed satin. I just love those sword hands. Really smooth movement. That's awesome looking. I think that's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna wear that one a lot, I can tell. It's gonna look great on a lot of straps. I don't know if I'll keep it on the bracelet or not. Really nice. I like how it tapers down. Real thin and lightweight. But this is gonna look so good on lots of different straps. I might put it on like a canvas strap, maybe green or tan, to kind of dress it down a little bit, more for like everyday use. I'm not a very dressy type guy, so I think that would look really, really good. Maybe like a Burton, or a Barton strap, canvas strap. Try something like that out. But yeah, you can see the movement through there. Sharp looking, and I got a crazy good deal on it, so I'm really happy to have something like this. This will really fit a missing spot in my collection, so this is really cool. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll catch you next time.